It's really important to me to work for a business that invests in its people.
My name is Mariusz. I am from Poland. I'm working in a factory Appetito for 14.5 years. Why how long? Appetito give me chance learn English absolutely free.
They make a difference to me because they've given me the confidence to be who I am and do my job.
The business has invested in one-to-one coaching with me to help me find my right path, and I've also had the benefit of leadership training, and that leadership training here I always say has been the most impactful training I've ever had.
They've done a lot for me in my progression within the company, and I just feel the need to return the favour.
Appetito value me, they value my contribution, you know, that they care about my career as well as how I fit into the business.
It really is a company that does care about people, and I do feel that Appetito goes the extra mile.
I just saw an advert for Appetito which stood out from the rest. That kind of drew my eye and just seemed like a really good place to work. I heard a lot of good things as well. So
Appetito makes a real difference to me by investing into me, their trust, their resource, and the freedom to deliver what I think is possible to be done in my space.
As you know, you put people on courses and you hope that there's going to be an output from that. But I can truly say that I've seen that in certain members of my team that have gone through that management programme, and it's significantly changed them and made them better people, not only for Appetito but better people for themselves as well, in terms of managing work-life balance, in terms of managing stress, in terms of making sure that they're, you know, getting the most out of the job that they do at Appetito.
Like, it makes a real difference to me because I feel that I'm supported to achieve the career goals that I want to achieve, and it creates a really nice place for me to come to work.
I am proud to working here.
I'm the only female driver, so coming into such a male-orientated sort of line of work was always difficult for me, but they helped me, and one of the colleagues here helped me a massive amount. He took me out and mentored me and helped me get the confidence to be like, I can do it as well as the men can do it. And I feel like for someone who's quite introvert, it was always difficult to talk to anybody, but I've gained a great friend, and because of Appetito, he's also helped me. So I feel like if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be sat here today.
I feel being a member of Team Appetito is in my blood now, and I really wouldn't want to do anything else.